The engine on my Honda CB400 Super 4 is getting a full-on glow-up. We just finished adjusting the valve clearance, and now it was time for some deep cleansing of the engine internals. The piston tops and valve heads were absolutely caked in carbon. Like, that white pillowcase after supporting a face full of makeup all night. Nasty. So, we armed ourselves with petrol, brushes, fine grits and paper, and a lot of patience. Bit by bit, those surfaces started to glow again. Felt like a proper exfoliation session for the engine. And hey, I know, some people say, leave the carbon deposits. Others say, scrub them spotless. What's your vibe? Team natural or team polished? Let me know in the comments. After that, it was on to the cylinder head and crankshaft as well as blasting away build-up in hard-to-reach spaces with compressed air. We then gave the gaskets and top cover a final cleanse before reassembling the engine. And the results? First instant start since I bought her. Instant ignition. Hard starts? Gone. Misfires? Still playing hard to get. But stay tuned, because in another episode, we're fixing that once and for all.